Introducing SuiteTrails, your ultimate guide exploring the best experiences and hidden gems of Albuquerque. This exciting journey, we're thrilled to share 6 recommended activities that promise an unforgettable adventure through the vibrant city's unique charm. Whether it's exploring historic sites, trying local cuisine, or discovering serene natural beauty, our videos are designed to inspire and enrich your visit to one of America's most charming cities. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets behind why Albuquerque is truly exceptional.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Explore Albuquerque's rich history and vibrant heritage on our comprehensive smartphone-guided GPS app. Walking tour. This exclusive experience allows you to traverse through iconic landmarks, such as the historic Old Patio Market, the stunning San Felipe de Neri Church, and an unmissable hidden chapel. Marvel at the remnants of the old trading post, and indulge in the sweet delights served by the beloved candy shop, which once played a pivotal role in Breaking Bad. Discover the captivating allure of the Old Town Square, where awe-inspiring statues of conquistadors stand tall, and uncover the secret courtyards hidden within these architectural marvels. Experience the romantic rendezvous, Albuquerque's enchanting couples walk. Embark on this intimate adventure as we guide couples through the heart of romance, exploring Albuquerque's hidden gems and storied pastor. Walking tour showcases the city's most captivating locations, from historic churches' serene sanctuaries to bustling marketplaces' vibrant energy. Navigate through picturesque parks, immerse yourself in rich cultural experiences at museums, and indulge in exquisite cuisine. Each stop is meticulously chosen to ignite the spark of love and enhance your connection. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, our tour offers tailored experiences to suit every couple's preferences. Experience the enchantment of the holiday season during this exceptional Christmas tour of Albuquerque. This vibrant city is brimming with festive lights, bustling markets, and captivating attractions. The Magic Christmas Tour at Expo, New Mexico presents an exhilarating array of activities that cater to the entire family. At the flea market, one can discover exquisite gifts and festive ornaments. The grandstand at the Downs provides a thrilling backdrop for watching spectacular horse races. Additionally, the Manuel Lujan exhibit complex offers insights into the rich cultural heritage of the region. Discovering Albuquerque, a 2-hour walking tour explores top attractions, local traditions, heritage, and culture. During a 2-hour guided walking tour, visitors can explore some of the city's most significant landmarks, gaining insights into the area's rich cultural heritage, traditional practices, and artistic achievements. Step back in time as you visit one of the oldest structures in Albuquerque, where tales of its tumultuous past and the legacy of the Spanish colonial period unfold before your eyes. Embark on a journey through the centuries as you wander through the historic plaza, marveling at its age-old beauty while exploring key sites from the city's storied old town. Embark on an engaging, self-guided exploration of Albuquerque's captivating attractions, utilizing a smartphone app to navigate and interact with intriguing puzzles. Throughout the journey, engage with your personalized party as the game provides guidance, guiding you through the bustling town. Accumulate points for accurate responses and strive to secure top rankings within the leaderboards. Step into Albuquerque's enchanting atmosphere, allowing flexibility in your exploration. Marvel at iconic landmarks such as the historic Old Town Plaza, Tiguex Park, the Mother Church of Albuquerque, and Casa de Armijua. Appreciate the unique blend of local culture and tourism, attracting visitors from near and far. Albuquerque's family adventure. An exploration of knowledge, history, and fun in New Mexico offers much more than a traditional walking tour. It serves as a platform for families to engage in immersive educational activities, immerse themselves in the serene beauty of Albuquerque's parks, and explore the city's historical landmarks that narrate a rich cultural heritage. As participants take each step along this itinerary, they uncover hidden treasures and captivating attractions, such as awe-inspiring dinosaur exhibits and the charming ambience of Old Town. This tour combines elements of discovery with joyful interactivity, ensuring that children and adults alike can enjoy unforgettable experiences.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.